Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur face using Filmora application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application, and first thing first, I'm going to drag this object to my timeline. Okay, and I'm going to blur this girl's face. But before it, I'm going to cut my video to make the process faster. And after that guys, we can go to the video and go to the AI tools, and you're going to scroll down until you find the motion tracking. You have to activate this motion tracking feature, and then you're going to place the square to the face like this. You can adjust the position and adjust the size of the square. And then you're going to click this icon to start motion track. Okay, and you just need to wait until 100%, and I'm gonna tap on OK. And if you want to blur the face, you can click on link element, okay, and select add a mosaic. Okay, and you can choose the type of the blur effect you want to apply to your face, and I'm just going to choose this one, and let's see the final result. As you can see that this girl's face has been blurred. Alright guys, and that's all the way to blur face using Filmora application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.